हेलो। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्कूल लर्नर्स। आज हम क्लास 8 हनीड्यू बुक का चैप्टर 2 द सुनामी का क्वेश्चन आंसर पढ़ेंगे। पहले हम कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक देखेंगे। पेज नंबर 27। क्वेश्चन 1 से वेदर द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू और फॉल्स। First, Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Second, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. Third, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. Fourth, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Fifth, her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. Answer: first, true. Second, false. Third, false. Fourth, true. Fifth, true. Comprehension check, page number 29. Answer the following in a phrases or sentence. Question 1. Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Answer: Tilly Smith came with her family from southeast England to celebrate Christmas at a beach resort in Southern Island, Thailand. Question 2. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Answer: Tilly and her family had already experienced a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier in the morning of 26 December 2004. Her mother saw that the water was swelling and coming closer and the beach was getting smaller and smaller. Meanwhile, Tilly also noticed that the sea slowly started to rise, foam and bubble, and from whirlpools in it. Question 3. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Answer: Tilly's mother initially did not understand what was happening, but when she was her frightened daughter hysterically screaming that it was a tsunami, she understood the seriousness of the condition. Question 4. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Answer: Tilly had seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion during her geography lesson when her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. Question 5. Where did the Smith family and the other on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? Answer: The Smith family and the other on the beach ran back and took refuge in the third floor of the hotel to escape from the tsunami. The building withstood the surge of three tsunamis waves. Question 6. How do you think her geography teacher felt when she heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? Answer: Tilly's geography teacher must have felt very proud of her when she heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket. She was happy that because of her lesson and video, the young girl was able to save her family and lives of many others by warning them of the tsunami waves. Comprehension check, page number 30. Answer using a phrase or a sentence. Question 1. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people dead. How many animals dead? Answer: Although the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 1,50,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. The exact count of dead animals is not known compared to human casualties. Question 2. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? Answer: 60 visitors were swept off the Patnangala beach inside the Yala National Park. No animal carcasses were found except for two water buffaloes. Question 3. What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? Answer: The people present at the Yala National Park observed three elephants running away from the Patnangala beach about an hour before the tsunami hit that place? Question 4. What did the dogs in Gale do? Answer. The dogs in Gale refused to go for their daily run on the beach on the day the tsunami hit the coast. अब हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे पेज नंबर 30 to 31. Question 1. When he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reason for your answer. Which sentence in the text tells you that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? Answer. No, Ignatius did not realize a tsunami had struck when he felt the earthquake. Initially, he got up and carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. Ignatius' family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck due to chaos and confusion. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising in the chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. Question 2. Which words in the list below describe Sanjeev in your opinion? Look up the dictionary for words that you are not sure of. Cheerful, ambitious, brash, brave, careless, heroic, selfless, heartless, humorous. Use words from the list to complete the three sentences below. First, I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerfully dash or dash. I think that he was very brave dash and dash. Sanjeev was not heartless dash and dash. Answer. In my opinion, the words that describe Sanjeev are brave, heroic, and selfless. I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerful, ambitious, or humorous. Second, I think that he was very brave, heroic, and selfless. Third, Sanjeev was not heartless, brash, or careless. Question third. How are Meghna and Almaz stories similar? Answer. Both Almaz and Meghna families were swept away by the tsunami waves and they were the only survivors in their respective families. Both of them floated in the sea for many days. Meghna spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door and brought to the shore by a wave. Similarly, Almaz also climbed a log of wood and fainted. Later, she woke up in a hospital in Kamota and brought to Port Blair thereafter. Both the girls were so traumatized about the incident that Meghna was found walking on the seashore in a daze, and Almaz did not want to discuss the tragic incident with anyone. Question 4. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? Answer. Tilly could foresee that a tsunami had struck them. Seeing her frightened and getting hysterical, her parents understood that something serious is likely to happen. They took both their daughter away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. Seeing them, a number of other tourists also left the beach along with them. Tilly also shouted to everyone around in the beach to run for safety. However, Tilly's parents could have also reacted in a different manner by not paying heed to her frightened behavior. If they would have tried to calm her down, probably if they would have got washed away along with the tsunami wave. If I would have been in a similar situation, I would have carefully listened to Tilly and realized that a danger was approaching and immediately rushed to the hotel by running away from the beach. Question 5. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she should share it with, her parents or her geography teacher? Answer. In my opinion, Tilly should have shared her award with her geography teacher, who made her aware of what a tsunami is and its various effects. Due to this awareness, she was able to save the lives of so many people. Question 6. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? Answer. Not many animals were killed by the tsunami because most of them have a sixth sense working in them. As a matter of fact, animals know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts also believe that animals have an acute sense of hearing that helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They have the ability to sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on they on and they are able to move to safer places. Animals have a better sense of hearing and gut feeling, and this is scientifically proven that they can sense disturbances and hear low frequency sound, which is not within the capacity of humans, although is an incredible fact, yet it's true. So अगर आपने इस वीडियो को अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ जल्दी से लाइक कर दीजिए और हमारे चैनल स्कूल लर्नर्स को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए और बगल में बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।